NEET PG will not propone, Karnataka High Court. The division bench said, the decision is a policy decision that is very sound and may not be interfered by this court. It was also submitted that courts do not intervene in academic schedules and matters, which are purely academic in nature, and this court may not interfere in the petition. The argument given by doctors who want proponent. Number 1. Postponement of NEET PG was done only one day prior. Number 2. The doctors, aspirants for postgraduate studies, are suffering from stress, anxiety, and depression as their plans to study post-graduation has been unsettled. Number 3. All other examinations are being conducted during the current COVID-19 pandemic. There was no reason to postpone NEET. Number 4. Last year, the Supreme Court had declined the postponement of NEET. For this year, the central government could not have unilaterally postponed the exam. The division bench said, this is not a case where there is a cancellation of NEET this year. It is only a case of postponement of the test from April 2021 to a period subsequent to 31st August 2021. NEET PG postponement was in the background of the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic and the need for doctors for duties to attend to the patients suffering from the disease. The decision of the Union of India to hold the test after 31st August 2021 in our view cannot be changed. Assistant Solicitor General supported the decision of the central government and submitted that owing to the severe nature of the COVID-19 pandemic, a decision was taken at the highest level of the central government to postpone NEET. Further, he said the decision is a policy decision which is very sound and it may not be interfered by this court. It was also submitted that courts do not intervene in academic schedules and matters, which are purely academic in nature, and this court may not interfere in the petition. The government also informed the court that once the pandemic subsides, a date will be notified for holding the NEET for postgraduate medical students, aspirants, and they would be given sufficient time to prepare. The court opined the Supreme Court declined to approve postponement of the exam last year, as the pandemic was not as severe last year. The doctors, including NEET aspirants, were not requested to perform duties during this second wave of the pandemic. But, if such doctors have offered their services during the period April to July, then they would require time to prepare for the test. Hence, the postponement of NEET beyond 31st August 2021. In the circumstances, we do not find any reason to interfere in the matter.